For millennia, humanity has turned to the skies in search for answers, seeing the sun not merely as a source of warmth and life, but as a beacon of divine intelligence. Across ancient civilizations, the sun was revered as more than a celestial body. It was a god, a force of creation, and the eternal witness to human struggles and triumphs. Its steady rise and fall mirrored the cycles of life, death, and rebirth, binding us to the rhythms of the cosmos. The stories of Ra, Apollo, Shamash, and countless other sun deities reflect a universal recognition of its immense power. But this isn't just mythology. It speaks to our profound connection with the stars. Each of us carries the imprint of celestial forces, shaped as we descend through the planetary spheres into the material world. These cosmic influences are woven into the fabric of our being, guiding us in ways that science and spirituality alike strive to understand. The sun worshipped across cultures under countless names. Ra in Egypt, Helios in Greece, Surya in India, and Inti in the Andes has long been a symbol of creation, power, and illumination. This veneration extends beyond myth into astrology, where the sun and planets are seen as the architects of our personalities and destinies. As we absorb traits and energies through our cosmic descent, the sun becomes more than just a star. It is a mirror reflecting the divine potential within us all. Is it any wonder then that the sun stands at the center of spiritual and esoteric teachings? It is a symbol of the eternal fire within, a guide for our journey through light, shadow, and self-discovery. Let us unravel its mysteries together, exploring how the heavens shape and illuminate the path of our existence. Welcome back to Humanfluence. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. You can find me on TikTok, get one of my books on Amazon, and let's dive in. The Seven Logoi. The sun's role as the Demiurgos, and the spiritual significance of the planets in shaping our existence. This isn't just about the mechanics of the cosmos, it's about understanding the deeper esoteric principles that guide our journey through life and beyond. Again, the sun, more than a celestial body, revered throughout history as the heart of creation. The sun was seen as the demiurge, the divine architect that shapes and sustains the material world. Its energy flows through every aspect of the cosmos, orchestrating a system of harmony and purpose. The sun takes the infinite light of the Creator and transforms it into a tangible force, distributing it across the planets and imbuing each with its unique role in the grand cosmic design. The seven logoi are seven fundamental principles or archetypes of divine intelligence that underpin the structure of the universe. Each planet embodies one of these, acting as a steward of its energy. Mercury governs intellect and communication. Venus embodies love and harmony. Earth represents manifestation and the grounding of spirit into matter. Mars channels willpower and courage. Jupiter symbolizes wisdom and expansion, and Saturn imparts discipline and structure, while the moon reflects intuition and emotional cycles. Together, these planetary forces influence our growth, shaping our experiences in alignment with the cosmic order. In ancient thought, the planets weren't merely physical objects, but conscious entities, each contributing to the spiritual evolution of humanity. The ancients believed that the soul descended through the planetary spheres before incarnating on Earth, absorbing qualities from each along the way. Mercury sharpening intellect, Venus imparting the capacity for love, Mars instilling strength and resilience, Jupiter expanding understanding, and Saturn teaching patience and discipline. After life on Earth, the soul begins its ascent, shedding the material influences of the planets and returning to its divine origin. This descent and ascent form a cyclical journey reflecting the sun's role as both creator and guide. But the sun's light is more than just physical illumination. It carries the vibrational codes of creation itself. In esoteric philosophy, the sun acts as the mediator between the unmanifest source and the manifest world. Its rays bridge the spiritual and material realms, sustaining life while guiding the soul's journey back to unity. This interplay between light and form is echoed in the movements of the planets, each orbit a reflection of the sun's divine rhythm. The sun's central position in the solar system mirrors its spiritual role as the heart of existence, maintaining balance and order within the cosmic dance. The planets also challenge us, shaping our character and testing our resolve. The ancient concept of the music of the spheres describes the harmonious vibrations of the planets as they orbit the sun. Each planet resonates at a unique frequency, creating a celestial symphony that governs not only the physical universe, but also our thoughts, emotions, and spiritual evolution. This harmony, orchestrated by the sun, ensures balance and order in the cosmos. The sun's light, as the Demiurgos, transforms the infinite energy of the Creator into forms that sustain both the physical and spiritual realms. Through the sun, spirit descends into matter, allowing life and consciousness to emerge. But this descent is only one part of the cycle. The sun also illuminates the soul's path back to unity. By aligning with the sun's energy and the planetary principles, we reconnect with the divine order, moving closer to realizing our true nature. You see, our spiritual journey is a reflection of the celestial dance of the sun and planets. The sun's central role in the solar system mirrors its role as the heart of our spiritual evolution, while the planets guide us through stages of growth and understanding. This cosmic framework is not a distant abstraction, it's a living, breathing system of intelligence that shapes every aspect of our lives. By embracing the lessons of the sun and the Seven Logoi, we awaken to the reality that we are not separate from the cosmos, but an integral part of its divine order. The cosmos is a reflection of the forces within us, and the sun stands as a symbol of our highest potential. Here we can navigate life's challenges with greater clarity, embracing the lessons offered by the planets as tools for growth. In the end, the sun's light guides us through the mysteries of existence, illuminating the path towards spiritual awakening and unity. So, until next time, stay curious, stay questioning, do some sun gazing, and if you can't, take some vitamin D. Humanfluence, out.